Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange. And as I'm sure you can tell, I'm pretty tired after not sleeping all night long. I'm trying my best to stay awake, but at least I can say the following. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. There is a new president of the United States of America. It's time to have a drink. That's right, everybody. Cheers. It's happy hour, finally, in the Big Apple. Now, today's trading session, all about the 2016 presidential election, which is officially over. And in what is being labeled as a shocking victory by many, Republican Donald Trump prevailing over Hillary Clinton to become the 45th president of the United States of America. Now, overnight, as the results began to unfold, Wall Street continuing to face a massive slide. At least it looked like it was going to. Dow futures down more than 800 points in the early morning hours. Japan selling off, Europe selling off. This has the global markets originally pricing in a victory for former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton. But upon the market open this morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, that 800-point overnight drop in futures turned into just a 200-point deficit at the open. And midday, they were mostly flat. This has the initial response of shock and risk aversion calming down and paving the way for increased prospect of tax cuts and a generally pro-growth set of policies from Donald Trump that should be aided by the Republican clean sweep of Congress, both the Senate and the House. And then a sign of just how much the overall shock has indeed subsided right after Hillary Clinton went about with her speech conceding the election about noon this afternoon, about noon today. The Dow Jones on the upside about 200 points immediately after she stepped off the stage. And with that, let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the more than halfway trading point of the session. And rather than talk about corporations, this session has been all about the election and its correlation to markets, so I have to say the following. Congratulations to Donald Trump for becoming the 45th president of the United States of America. I am an American and I love this country very much. The American people have spoken. The Electoral College has been decided. Donald Trump is our next president. The people have chosen their leader. So hopefully, if you're on the left side, the right side, the upside, the downside, the inside, the outside, wherever you are, as an American, hopefully we can let these emotions calm down over time, join together as one in the middle, and hopefully move this nation forward in another direction, or in a new direction, or in the current direction, just in a direction that is positive. It can happen. I'm an optimist. I'm also a proud American. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.